Firstly, take a pot and heat it up, and then you place a knob of salted cold butter to melt it. Allow it to sizzle a little bit before you add in the wonderful ingredient, the white miso. Mix it well with the butter, and the kitchen really smells really good with the aroma. Once it's mixed, you can turn off the heat and let it slightly cool down. Now you can crack 2 whole eggs into the slightly warm butter miso mix. Gordon's style is to add both cold butter and eggs before heating it up. I'm doing it differently because I wanted to cook the miso first. Start mixing the eggs thoroughly, and once that is done, you can then turn back on the heat. From here, keep stirring, and every couple of minutes, remove it off the heat and use just the heat from the pot to cook the eggs. This ensures the eggs doesn't cook too fast and becomes dry. Keep doing this a couple of times and keep an eye on the eggs. Once it starts to thicken, you can actually turn off the heat and keep stirring as it will continue to cook. You can see now it is pretty much there. And just a couple more stirs and then you're good to go. There you have it, creamy scrambled eggs ready to eat. But I'm gonna elevate it with a couple more ingredients. Firstly, I add some chopped spring onions. It goes so well with miso. Throw in some flaked seaweed. And that's not it. I want to make it a little bit spicy, so I add some Japanese chili mixture. This is gonna taste so good, and all the flavors will come together in your mouth.